Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can pan and zoom within your videos or photos. So let us begin. First of all, open up the CapCut application and create a new project or open up any project that you are working on. Now, once you are inside the application, just drag the video onto your timeline. Now, you may have noticed on various different videos that while using B-roll footages, keeping the frame real still makes the video kind of boring. So we kind of want to replicate some movement going on with the camera. To do this, we can pan and zoom onto the video. So simply stop the vertical bar right at the point where you want to start panning. And now with the video selected, underneath the basic tab, you will find the scale option. Just click on the keyframe button at the right side, and this will now add a diamond-shaped icon, which is the keyframe indicator. This is now the point where the panning will begin. Now move the slider a little bit ahead until the point where you want the camera to pan. Then once again click on the keyframe button and this will add your second keyframe. Now with the keyframe selected, you can use the scale slider to increase or decrease the scale. If you increase it, this will zoom in, and if you decrease, it will zoom out. So choose your desired zoom level, and as you can see, the video quickly zooms into the scene. This effect is what's called a zoom in effect. Alternatively, you can also perform a zoom out effect, and for this I'm going to add another keyframe a little bit ahead. Now moving further ahead, I introduce another keyframe, and with this selected, I can zoom out once again using the scale slider. And now when we check out the complete result, the video first zooms in to the cloud and then zooms out once again. Now if you wish to reduce the duration and make this zoom in or zoom out faster, you can reduce the distance between the keyframes, and this will now zoom in or zoom out much faster than before. Alternatively, if you increase the distance, this will increase the duration for the zoom in or zoom out effect to take place. And with this option, you can create interesting camera movements to keep your audience engaged to your video. Now, apart from zooming in to a video, you can also pan around. Let's say we want to start the footage from the leftmost section of the cloud, and we slowly want to move the camera towards the right. Well, in this case, we can use the position option. Just place your slider to the point where you want your panning to begin, and make sure that this is the starting point of your video. Now add another keyframe, and with it selected, just move the position of the video to your desired end position. Once that is done, you can watch your preview, and you will now notice that the video pans towards the direction that you selected. Once again, you can decrease or increase the distance to change the duration of the panning effect. And there you go. That is how you can pan or zoom within your video layers on the CapCut application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our video for more useful tips and tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.